Hello, CryptoNovus. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've been here. We're going to finalize 2021 with double checking and seeing how this stimulus package challenge went for the entire year. Before I get started, I want to give a shout out to always Swan. If you're looking to invest in just Bitcoin, they have an excellent program that starts with as little as $10 a day or week or a month. Again, this video is not to be perceived as investment advice, but for educational and advisory purposes only. When you evaluate crypto, there are 12 different things you need to look at. I try to cover 4 in the videos that I do, and the 4: supply and demand, market dilution, the fear factor, the influence of cross-currency values, BTC to altcoins, and of course, technical advancements. So when I did this challenge really back at the beginning of 2021, it was investing only in the top 10 cryptocurrencies at that time. Of course, Bitcoin was the basis or the foundation of it. And then we diversified into other things like Ethereum and XRP. These are in fact the ones that we invested in. So this model invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and Chainlink. And as we already know, this year did not pan out the way a lot of people thought it was going to pan out in the month of December with very high values. So the target before was we're trying to get $600 up to about $7,600 in value. We figured that Bitcoin might do a 5.3x, which it did not. Ethereum, we thought at the time would give it like a 33x, so it would go to like to $750 all the way up beyond $24,000, and it did not do that. It just went up to 47. XRP did though go do a 3.7x. ADA we thought would do 13. It kind of touched upon it and then it pulled back, and then Link did not quite do the 2.5 that we thought it would do as well. So it makes it, interesting to watch to see exactly what did transpire and what happened with the value of the dollars. So here's the breakdown. You can see here that in Q3 actually was a very good year with a total increase from the $600 to over $2,200, almost $2,300. That's impressive, but still not quite the 76. So let's go to Q4. Basically, Bitcoin finished out the year at just a little over $46,000, which gave us a value in our investment model of $217. Ethereum concluded at the end of the year, and these are close-out values on the last day of December. Our Ethereum number went from 150 to 549. We were hoping, obviously, that would be over almost $5,000, so almost 10x. Ethereum got as high as $4,700, but it didn't come even close to breaking 20 this year. I'm looking forward to seeing what will happen in 2022, and I'll cover that in another video. XRP did okay. XRP actually peaked in Q3 at 95 cents. It did retrace back a little bit to 84 cents, but our value target of $370 we did in fact hit in this model. Cardano, I was expecting it to do much better. I was expecting it to get up to about $2.60, which it did peak, I believe, to $3.84, but then it retraced way back, and it came all the way back down to, it really kind of baselined at about $1.30, $1.35. So it finished off the year at $1.31, giving us from our investment of $100, it increased to $655. And then Chainlink didn't do quite as good as we thought it was going to do. It started off the year very strong at in Q1 at $29.35, but it finished off about a third less at $19.59, giving us only increasing our $100 investment to $142. So bottom line is that our $600 investment at the beginning of the year ended up being a little over $1,900, which that's a little over 3x in terms of return. Now the reason why this all happened is because Q4 was not the end of this cycle. And there's a lot of conversation about extended cycles for obvious reasons. And I follow a gentleman by the name of Benjamin Cohen, and he has some really good things to say about that, which I'll communicate to you guys a little later on this year. But I'm looking forward to seeing what happens this year, obviously, like a lot of people are. The market certainly has changed, but I by no means am I disappointed in what has happened, because I really believe that this space still has a lot of growth and will be very influential in our lives, in our everyday life to come. So the question is, what did you guys do for this bull run? And looking forward to seeing you guys more this year than I did last year. And again, if this was any help to you, please subscribe to the channel and definitely hit your like button. This is CryptoNovus, where newbies become masters. My name is Chris Brown. See you in the next video.